Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you coconut milk hair mask and shampoo for dry and frizzy hair. Coconut milk provides nutrition and moisture to your dry and damaged hair. With this one coconut milk mask, your hair will become soft and shiny. In order to prepare coconut milk hair mask, you're going to need half cup organic coconut milk, 3 tablespoons raw and organic honey, 2 tablespoons castor oil. Mix all the ingredients together and apply the mask on the scalp. Leave for 1 or 2 hours and wash it with natural shampoo. Do this remedy twice a week for soft and manageable hair. For DIY coconut milk shampoo, you're going to require 1/4 cup coconut milk, homemade or canned. Homemade is better. 1/4 cup liquid castile soap. Castile soap is very mild and it doesn't contain much chemicals. For dry hair, you can add half teaspoon of olive oil or almond oil, which is optional. 10 to 20 drops of essential oil of your choice. I prefer peppermint or lavender oil. Now mix all the ingredients together until it forms a smooth paste. Once it forms a smooth paste, you just need to apply it from roots to tips. You can store this shampoo in a bottle for a month. If you store it in refrigerator, it will last for a month, and if you store it outside, it will last for 2 weeks. Use this shampoo every day. If you like my video, subscribe and press the bell icon for more such useful videos. Thank you.